We are pleased to show you the 2024 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, navigation system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.